Ever pondered what lies beyond the boundaries of our Milky Way galaxy? Picture this: an expanse so vast, it's home to a multitude of galaxies, each with their unique tales of cosmic evolution. But do we ever stop to consider the stories of those galaxies, the ones just a stone's throw away in the grand scheme of the universe? There's a whole universe teeming with cosmic wonders waiting to be explored. Let's take a peek at our cosmic neighbor, Andromeda. Meet Andromeda, the closest spiral galaxy to the Milky Way. Now, if you're wondering what's a spiral galaxy, let's unravel this cosmic mystery quickly. Picture a flat, spinning disk of stars, gas, and dust, with a bulge in the center. That's your typical spiral galaxy, and both Andromeda and the Milky Way belong to this cosmic club. Now let's get closer to Andromeda. It's our neighboring galaxy, but neighboring in astronomical terms is a tad different than next door on Earth. Andromeda is about 2.5 million light-years away. Yes, that's right, light-years. That's the distance light travels in a year, and it's a mind-bogglingly long way. Even at this great distance, Andromeda is the farthest thing visible to the naked eye on a clear night. This is a testament to its sheer size. It's almost 1.5 times larger than the Milky Way, boasting around 1 trillion stars. Imagine that for a moment: 1 trillion stars, each potentially with its own planets and moons. Andromeda is a celestial wonder, a vast spiral of starlight in the void of space. It's an ancient galaxy, full of mysteries waiting to be unraveled. We've just skimmed the surface of Andromeda's story, but there's so much more to explore. Now that you've met Andromeda, how does it compare to our home, the Milky Way? The Milky Way, our cosmic home, and Andromeda, our closest galactic neighbor, are quite the cosmic pair. Both are spiral galaxies, swirling with countless stars, cosmic dust, and dark matter. However, they are also unique in their own ways, and today, we're going to delve into some of those differences and similarities. Let's start with size. The Milky Way, while vast and impressive, is actually the smaller of the two. Picture a pizza pie, with our Milky Way being a medium-sized pie. Andromeda, on the other hand, would be the large pie, about twice as big. Now let's talk about stars. The Milky Way is home to an estimated 200 to 400 billion stars. That's a lot of celestial bodies, right? But hold on to your telescopes, because Andromeda boasts a whopping 1 trillion stars. That's more than twice the number of stars in our own galaxy. Shape-wise, both galaxies are spirals, with curved arms of gas, dust, and stars swirling around a dense core. However, the Milky Way has a more pronounced bar structure at its center, giving it a distinct barred spiral shape. Andromeda, while also a spiral, lacks this central bar. The rate of star formation is another area where our galaxies differ. The Milky Way births about 1 to 2 new stars per year. Andromeda, despite its larger size, produces stars at about the same rate. This suggests that size isn't everything when it comes to star production. One more similarity between the two is their invisible halos of dark matter. Both galaxies are enveloped in these halos, which extend far beyond the visible stars and dust. They play a crucial role in the galaxy's structure and rotation. In many ways, the Milky Way and Andromeda are more similar than they are different. They're both cosmic powerhouses, brimming with stars, gas, and dark matter. Yet their unique characteristics make them fascinating subjects of study in their own right. Whether you're Team Milky Way or Team Andromeda, there's no denying that both galaxies offer a wealth of cosmic wonders to explore. Our galaxies aren't just sitting still, they're on a collision course. Yes, you heard that right. The Milky Way and Andromeda, two colossal structures of stars, gas, and dust, are hurtling towards each other at a speed of roughly 400,000 kilometers per hour. In the grand scheme of cosmic time, not much is going to happen for the next few billion years. But as we look 4 billion years into the future, we'll find the first close approach of Andromeda. This won't be a full-on collision just yet, but a gravitational dance will ensue, distorting the shapes of our galaxies. Fast forward another 2 billion years and the real show begins. The Milky Way and Andromeda will merge in a spectacular cosmic collision, but don't worry, the odds of individual stars colliding are infinitesimally small due to the vast spaces between them. It's more like 2 flocks of birds merging without a single collision. This grand event will likely create a new elliptical galaxy, possibly even spurring a wave of star formation. For anyone on Earth, if there's still life by then, it would be a sight to behold. A sky filled with new stars and celestial phenomena. Even though it's billions of years away, it's an exciting future to contemplate. We may not be around to witness it, but the dance of galaxies will undoubtedly be a spectacle for the ages. Today, we've taken a cosmic journey to understand our galactic neighbor, Andromeda. We've discovered that this spiral galaxy, just like our Milky Way, is a vast, swirling cosmos, home to trillions of stars, planets, and possibly life forms yet unknown. We've learned that while Andromeda and the Milky Way share many similarities, they also have their unique characteristics. Andromeda, for instance, is significantly larger and denser than our home galaxy, with a wider array of star clusters and nebulae. On the other hand, the Milky Way boasts a richer, denser central bulge, a testament to the intense stellar activity at its heart. We've also delved into the future of these two cosmic giants. In about 4 billion years, an epic galactic collision will occur, transforming Andromeda and the Milky Way into a single giant elliptical galaxy. This event, although cataclysmic, is a natural part of cosmic evolution and a testament to the dynamic nature of our universe. Our journey has only scratched the surface of what lies beyond our celestial doorstep. There are countless other galaxies, each with their unique stories and secrets waiting to be unraveled. The cosmos is a grand stage, and we are but humble spectators in this cosmic ballet. Next time you gaze at the night sky, remember, there's a whole universe of galaxies to explore, starting with our nearest neighbor, Andromeda.